Look at that. Whoa! There are very few brands as iconic as the Jeep brand. You know, when you see one coming down the road, doesn't matter what generation they are, you know it's a Jeep. And one thing that is synonymous with Jeeps, doesn't matter if they're the original or even a 2025 like we have here, you know they're capable, especially off-road. But over the years, they really have developed into something even more. First of all, they have a huge following. People want to go and enjoy the outdoors. They want to accessorize their Jeep, personalize their Jeep. But now you have not only two-door, you have four-door, you have a pickup truck in the Gladiator, and in those models, there's a lot of other trims. So there really is a Jeep for everybody. Well, today we're here in the Bobcaygeon area of Ontario, and this is going to be some of the most extreme off-roading that we have ever done in any vehicle. And I can't wait, seriously, because I'm ready to get dirty. Bobcaygeon. The only time I've heard this name before was in a Tragically Hip song. A quick search tells me it's an indigenous name meaning water flowing around rocks. This small village is known for its stunning scenery, the Trent Severn waterway, and the historic Loch 32, which is a favorite stop for boaters. It's also our starting point for today's adventure, which is back to school with Jeep Canada. We're here to get these Jeeps dirty and to get a sneak peek at the upcoming 2026 Jeep Cherokee. We can't wait to dive into that one soon. All right, I don't know if Jeep has listened or if I'm just lucky to finally get on a program where we actually get to take Wranglers and Gladiators off-road, and this is way more extreme than I thought. Like, some of these rock faces are like 90 degrees and you're just like hitting a wall and just going straight up. So here, oh my goodness. Now, even though we're doing some extreme off-roading here, mainly rock crawling, one thing that I really did notice though is on the drive here, we actually drove in a Gladiator as well. They are so refined now. Jeeps, the interiors themselves, you get the large screen, you get a lot of technology to help you do the off-road, but it's also the comfort. Especially the Gladiator's got that longer wheelbase, extremely, extremely comfortable. The on-road ride is so smooth, and that's why they're very popular for everyday drivers. So you could, during the week, you could actually be just going to work, but on the weekends, you can be coming out and doing this without any modifications. But if you do want to modify, they have like something like 300 accessories that you can go and partner up with. You can pretty well do anything you want to your Jeep. And speaking of accessories, check out this custom Gladiator. It has air suspension. Look at this, watch this thing go, how fast it can go up and down. It's going down. Look at this, it's almost resting on the fenders. Look how cool that looks. And up it comes. Wow. Check out this Wrangler 4xe. It's called the Blueprint, showcasing just a few of the accessories you can add on straight from Jeep. Everything here in blue is an add-on, and honestly, if I owned a Wrangler, this could get dangerous because I'd want to add on pretty well everything on this Jeep. All right, we look like we're like gonna drive up like a waterfall, a dried up waterfall or something. This is really, really crazy. This is awesome.
A little bit driver, got it. Yep, good work, straighten out, hold that line, come on up, just stay in it.
Okay, we broke a few rocks out, so we're just replacing some rocks. You know what, one thing that video never shows is angles. Like, we are like this right now. There we go.
Go. All right, go. Hit it, go. And then, nice. Awesome.
Woo! Look at that. Whoa!
Perfect. Coming down. There it is. Very cool. Perfect.
That was the best off-road experience ever. This is something that I only see on like extreme YouTube channels or something like this. This is just awesome. Next, we switched things up and hopped into the Jeep Gladiator Mojave. This one's desert rated, meaning it's equipped with Fox suspension optimized for high-speed off-road driving. Even though it's designed for the dunes, it proved more than capable on the rocky trails we tackled, with just a bit more grinding on those skid plates thanks to the longer wheelbase. But that extra length also made it incredibly stable and comfortable both on and off the road. Now, out of all of these Jeeps, this Mojito green two-door Willys is one of my favorites. It has the 35-inch package as well. It just looks so wide. I love this color. By the way, it's Mojave with an exclamation mark, and yeah, I get it. It's short wheelbase. This is what you'd want to actually go do some rock crawling. But regardless, they're all very capable. Even if you look in the back here, it has an extra brace bracket here because it has to support the extra weight of that big, huge tire. One thing I have to keep reminding myself, every single vehicle we drove was completely stock. You could literally drive off the dealer lot, air down the tires, and hit the trails like we did. Also, they weren't all the most rugged Rubicon trims or had locking front and rear diffs, yet every Jeep made it through, maybe with a little bit more effort, but still impressively capable. Of course, it helps when you've got great instructors teaching and guiding you through every obstacle in or out of the vehicle. There's never been any doubt about what a Jeep can do, but after this trip, I get it. The journey really can be more fun than the actual destination, and yeah, I'm hooked. If you've ever thought about joining the off-road lifestyle, now is probably the perfect time. Why? Because Jeep has just repositioned their prices across much of their lineup. For example, the 2025 Wrangler two-door now has up to $9,000 off MSRP, and the 2026 Gladiator has dropped by as much as $11,400. These are all Canadian dollars, by the way. So you're not just getting one of the most capable off-roaders in the world, but you're also getting one that holds its value better than most vehicles on the market. Huge thanks to Jeep Canada for letting us test the off-road chops of these Jeeps. This was truly impressive. Maybe next time we can hit Moab or hit the Baja for some high-speed desert action. Thanks for watching, and as always, safe driving. Ciao. Like always, if you like this video or any other content on this channel, I've got a lot of videos out there, not just for cars, by the way. We have tech stuff, even automated lawnmowers and travel reviews as well. Hit that like and subscribe button. First of all, it doesn't cost anything. It's absolutely free. I do all of this free of charge for you. If you could hit that like and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated.